Hi everybody, I'm smart shopping expert Trae Bodge, and I wanted to wish you happy holiday shopping. No matter how far along you are, I wanted to talk about returns. So if you're still doing some shopping, be thoughtful and keep a gift receipt for your recipient. I know that you think you're buying the coolest gift ever and that they're going to love it and use it for the rest of their lives, but you could be wrong. So keep that gift receipt, make sure that original packaging is there, all the tags are on, just in case they don't love it or it's the wrong size and they need to return. So in terms of you as a recipient receiving a product that you want to return, there are a couple things that I wanted to suggest. So first of all, if you are going to return something, make sure that it's in sellable condition when you bring it back to the store. That means the tags are on, the original packaging is intact. The more of those things that you're missing, the more difficult your return process is going to be. Second, before you go to the store to return something or pack it up to ship it back online, familiarize yourself with the retailer's return policy. They may only accept returns within 30 days, 15 days. They may, in the case of some electronics, charge a restocking fee. Prepare yourself for what you're going to get back, because when you go to the store and you hear what they have to say at the counter, you don't want to freak out and be disappointed because you expected something else. Now, talking about going up to the counter, if you're returning in store, best thing to do is do it at a quiet time. Don't do it the Saturday after Christmas when everyone else is trying to return something. Maybe go during your lunch hour, right before work, sometime that's a little more quiet so you don't have to worry about the crowds. Another great thing about going at a quiet time is that the person who is taking your return will be less harried, will probably be in a better mood, and will probably be more apt to give you what you're hoping for with your return. Not every sales associate has power to give you more than is the store's policy, but you never know. If you go up to that person and you are rude, you are not going to get what you want in many cases. Or if that person needs to bring in a manager, be kind to the manager. Let's talk about being nice. Being nice is the right thing to do. Anyway, it should be your go-to all the time. However, the holidays are stressful. The person behind the counter might be in a grumpy mood. Whatever it is, try to be kind to them. A, because it's the right thing to do, and B, because you're more likely to get what you want, okay? Another thing to do is if you are returning something, go through the store and pick out what you think you'd like to exchange it for, because if you are returning something and you don't have a gift receipt, you're probably only getting a merchandise credit anyway. So that actually eliminates one more step. If you walk around the store, you know what you're exchanging it for, you come up with that item, it'll just be an easier process. Then you don't have to get back in line. So I hope that you found this advice helpful. I hope that you love all of the gifts that you receive and you don't have to return any of them. But if you do have to make some returns, these are some things to keep in mind. Happy holidays and happy shopping.